If you would like to uninstall and reinstall all the NVIDIA drivers, today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. So first thing first, come below at the search bar, type in Control Panel. Launch your Control Panel, and at this page you have to click on Programs and Features. As you do that, click anywhere, type in N, and locate NVIDIA. In my case, there are a couple more. In your case, this might be different, so you have to go ahead and uninstall all of these. Make sure to uninstall all the things that is related with this NVIDIA word, and once it is so, launch your Microsoft Store. From here at the search bar, type in NVIDIA Control Panel. You will see an app like this. If you have already uninstalled NVIDIA from your programs and features, you will see install here. In my case, I've already installed it, so it is showing open. So go ahead, install this. Once it is so, for the next step, head over to your browser and type in NVIDIA. Click onto its official website. And here you will see drivers as well. Locate drivers. Now here you will see all the drivers that you can manually search and download, but if you would like to get automatic drivers update, select gamers/creators. And here again, click on download now. Once this is done, launch your NVIDIA app this time. Wait for this to load. And now here, once you're logged into your account, all you have to do is select the drivers that you would like to update. And just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.